welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some side skirts on our 10th gen Honda Civic. So if you come over here, you can see that the side skirts we have are universal. They're not made for the car, so I had to cut them down. And you can see we made some cuts here, and also the black plastic paint is starting to fade, so it doesn't look as nice anymore. And we're going to be installing some new side skirts that were provided to us by a company that I'll put on the screen. They also give you 3M tape in the box and a bunch of self-tapping screws. But these self-tapping screws, I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use these better quality ones that I got at Home Depot. These ones are thicker and have a better hold, so we're going to be using these instead. So you're definitely going to need a drill for this project, and I recommend this 90-degree angle drill bit adapter. This one's nice because you can drill things under the car without having to lift the car up, so this saves us a lot of time. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the old side splitter here. Okay, so these are the old side skirts right here. As you can see, they're very square looking. They're not custom made for this car, so they don't have cutouts for the jacking points and stuff like that. But these ones are old and very faded looking, no more shine to them. We're ready to install some new ones. I'm gonna have Ellie kind of hold this section right here where my right hand is, and I'm gonna start drilling underneath, finding spots to drill using the pilot holes. Here we go. Okay, got one here, and I'm just working my way down. I think I'm doing about 12 inches at a time, or a foot, just to make sure that everything is even. And working my way downtown to the next one. Okay, so this is the new side skirt. Nice fitment there, matches well with the front lip that's also gloss black. And this is the old one right here. So we're going to be doing this side in a snap of a finger. Okay, so this is the new one. Let's take a look at it. Much cleaner, has that nice gloss black finish that we know and love. This is our rear end, Type R wing, rear diffuser, quad exhaust, side skirts, gunmetal rims, yellow brakes, and front lip. So this is how it looks, guys. I think it complements the front lip real nicely. They're both gloss black. They stick out just enough, not too much. Just make sure you tell your passengers not to step on it. It's not a stepping stool. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching my video. And if you like this kind of content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good evening.